Hello guys, welcome back to Cedoh Kingdom, and in this video just know these simple ways to fix your LED light bulb and you'll become a master. So in this situation, this LED is not working, and most of the time when you see an LED not working or dim, one of the LEDs that are inside is either broken or not working, or you have a loose connection. In this case, this LED doesn't turn on, it's totally broken, so it's not lighting. So I will show you how to fix this and to make it light again. First, you need to open the LED and check inside. So this bulb has 6 LEDs, and if you take a closer look, you can see the faulty LED. So in this situation, these LEDs looks okay, this looks okay, this one looks okay, this one looks okay, this one seems okay, but when you take a closer look at this LED, you see there is a blackish. It shows that this LED is burned, but I will show you how to check properly all the LEDs. So in this case, you will need a wire, an insulated wire like this one, and you need to connect this one on a 250 volts so that you can check easy these LEDs. So in this case, you should take care not to be electrocuted. So this is the faulty one, but let's see if I guessed correct. See, it's working. So this one is the only faulty LED. So I'm going to take this off first. So I'm going to use this blade to take off the faulty LED. So be careful. So I've taken it off, it is done. I have already removed the LED here. So I've already removed the LED. So I will connect it back to the 250 volts and check again if it will work when I join. See, it's working. So when I join these two terminals, it will make a continuous circuit, so the other LEDs will work. So in this case, you'll need a small wire. You'll need a small wire like this one. So I have to strip it so you can expose the wires inside. So I'm going to solder this wire on these two terminals to make a continuous connection. So I'm going to solder the terminals too. Then I'm going to connect this wire. See, I've connected it, so the circuit is complete. So when I connect it back on the 250 volts, the LEDs will work. So let's try it. See, it's working. So I'm going to take it back, then connect it again. So it's completely working. So thanks for watching this video, and if you have not subscribed to Cedoh Kingdom, please subscribe.